Hello everyone, we are solving problems on the Thevenin and Norton's theorem. In that, next question is find current I in the following circuit by using Thevenin theorem. This is the given circuit. First, this is look like Wheatstone bridge. Now, first check whether the bridge is balanced or not. So, what is the condition for bridge is balanced or not? Multiplication of opposite resistance must be equal. So, if multiply these two resistors, 8 into 10 equal to 80 ohms. Now if you multiply these two, 6 into 15 is equal to 90 ohms. So the bridge is not balanced. These are not equal. So bridge is not balanced. So current is not 0. By Thevenin's theorem, first open the 5 ohm resistor and find VOC. VOC will give VThevenin. Then find ROC. ROC will give RThevenin. So if you open this 5 ohms, then circuit becomes like this. Okay, here let it be VA and this let it be VB. So what is the VThevenin? So current is entering here. So take it as positive. This is VThevenin and this is minus. Now if you observe this, these two resistors are connected in series and across 100 volts. Again, these two resistors are connected in series and across 100 volts because it is open circuit. So, by voltage division rule, what is VA? VA is equal to same impedance by total impedance into total voltage. You will get 37.5 volts. Coming to here, VB is equal to same impedance 8 by 8 plus 15 into total voltage. If you solve this, you will get 800 by 23 volts. So by KVL, what is VThevenin? By KVL, VThevenin is equal to VA minus VB. 37.5 minus 800 by 23. So by you will get VThevenin is equal to 125 by 46 volts. For RThevenin, so again open this load resistance or 5 ohm resistance and replace this voltage source with short circuit, then find ROC. Okay, the circuit becomes like this. Okay, we are replacing voltage source with short circuit. If you observe this, these two resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, so I'm redrawing the circuit. Let it be C and let it be D. Circuit becomes like this. Okay, so in between A and C there is a 10 ohms, A and D 6 ohms, C and D. Okay, there is a short circuit, 6 ohms. Sorry, short circuit. C and B 15 ohms, B and D 8 ohms. So we need RAB. Okay, RAB will give RThevenin. Now if you observe this, 10 ohms and 6 ohms are in parallel. Okay, this is common node for these two resistors and this is common node. It is short circuit. Short circuit means a common node. So these two resistors are connected in parallel and these two resistors are connected in parallel. So combination is connected in series. So what is RAB? RAB is equal to RThevenin is equal to 10 into 6 by 10 plus 6 plus, okay, this is parallel. This is parallel combination. Okay, this is parallel combination. Now, and it is series to this parallel combination. So plus 15 into 8 by 15 plus 8. So you will get RThevenin is equal to 825 by 92 ohms. Okay, now draw the Thevenin equivalent for load resistance 5 ohms. Then circuit becomes like this. Now what is I? I is equal to V Thevenin by these two resistors are connected in series. So equivalent is R Thevenin plus RL. If you solve this, you will get 50 by 257 amps. So what is I? I is equal to 0.194 amps. a battery charges a 1 ohm load at 5 amps and same battery charges a 2 volt source at 7 amps. Then determine the equivalent circuit of battery. Okay, battery equivalent means the equivalent circuit of battery is voltage source in series with internal resistance. Okay, this is look like a Thevenin equivalent circuit. Let it be V Thevenin and now it is R Thevenin. Okay, if 1 ohm resistor is connected, so this is 1 ohm resistor. So what is the current flowing through this one? 5 amps. If 1 ohm resistor is connected, current flowing through this 5 amps. Now what is the equation? V Thevenin is equal to 5 into R Thevenin plus 1. So R equivalent is 2 resistors are connected in series, R Thevenin plus R1. So V equal to IR. I is 5 amps, R equivalent is Thevenin plus 1 ohm. Okay, let it be equation 1. Now if 2 volt source is connected, then current is 7 amps. Okay, the circuit becomes like this. Now what is the current? Current I is equal to 7 amps is equal to V Thevenin minus 2 by R Thevenin. From this, what is V Thevenin? V Thevenin is equal to 7 R Thevenin plus 2. Equation 2. So equate 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what we are getting? 5 into R Thevenin plus 1 is equal to 7 R Thevenin plus 2. If you solve this, you will get R Thevenin is equal to 3 by 2 ohms. R Thevenin equal to 3 by 2 ohms. Okay, either equation 1 or equation 2. So V Thevenin is equal to from 1 5 into 3 by 2 plus 1. So V Thevenin is equal to, you will get 25 by 2 volts. So the circuit for battery is, this is the circuit for battery equivalent. Okay, so the voltage is 25 by 2, 12.5 volts. Okay, this is volts and 3 by 2 ohms. Okay, in the next video we will discuss some more problems. Thank you for watching.